Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to use our Lavender Portrait Pack set today. The Lavender Portrait Pack is fun and it's easy to use. It contains backgrounds, foregrounds, and some props for your photos too. So let's get started. First you'll want to use your edited image and select your subject. You're going to cut your subject out of your current photo. If you're using Photoshop, it has a nifty select subject tool already integrated, which I'm using right here. And I'm including this rock. Anything that you can kind of add on to the photo increases the natural look of it. Okay, so I'm going to add her now into my lavender background. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I've just added a layer mask, which works the same as using an eraser, but it allows you to also add back detail if you accidentally erase. And now I'm removing part of the photo layer to blend onto the lavender background, so it makes it kind of appear that the lavender's popping. Another nifty tool here in Photoshop I'm using right now is remove background. So I'm removing some of the greens in the grass in the old photo. Okay. Alright, now so I'm going to place a foreground to help blend this photo. Each background has a specific foreground to kind of sandwich in your image for easy editing. Okay, so I think this looks pretty cute. I'm going to show you now how to blend the background in a little bit more. I'm going to take purple from the background and I'm going to kind of just mist that lightly. Okay, so this is kind of a soft purple haze, which also kind of gives the illusion of the background being artistically blurred. Now I want to add one of the props sets here. So this is our entire package. You can see it's got a bunch of different backgrounds, foregrounds, and some props intermixed here. And we also have our opulent lavender background set, which is included for free as a bonus set. So you have a lot of different backgrounds to work with here. Okay, so I'm going to use our lavender basket prop set here to kind of tie in the photo, make it look like she was out on a little lavender picking session. Okay, but I want to remove some of the current foreground, so I'm going to add a layer mask and just erase some of the lavender in the front so we can see the basket. Just pop. Okay, and I'm going to show you a little lavender bouquets. I'll put one of those in her hands. This also goes a long way for tying in the theme of the photo. Place it right about here. And again, a layer mask on this image. And I'm going to erase. Make it look like it's being held in her hand beneath the tool. So you want to use a soft black brush and erase. And then you can go back and add a little bit of detail by reducing your opacity and adding the detail back with a white brush. Okay, so that is the final result with that one. I'm going to show you how you can build your own foregrounds. With we have some lavender sets here. Basically, you can go in and just keep using our pops of lavender. We have lavender sprays, which you can just kind of build upon and build your own natural looking foreground. So what I'm doing is I'm just picking several. I'm going to blend them in a minute. Okay, so now I'm going to use the filled blur, which we'll see first happen here on the left. It softens that up, and you can use the circle tool here to choose the amount that you want. Blur, it kind of can give you some bokeh in the front if you want, or just soften blur. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with the lavender on the right. Choosing that filled blur. Okay. Alright, I'm going to use one of our bigger sprays to kind of tie in behind that. Kind of look like there's some dimension, give some depth to the photo. So we have some blur toward the front, and in the middle there's some kind of popping out behind it. It's a little bit more sharper focus. Okay, so I like that. Alright, so I'm going to show you the before and the after. That's before and after, adding our own foreground. I hope you have fun with this set. It's super easy and fun to work with once you get the hang of it, and offers you so many options. Thank you for watching.